Use a T25 screwdriver to remove the T-screws on the panel beneath the driver's seat. Use a pry bar to pry open the flap. Unplug the T-clips on the cover. Remove the T-screws next to the head unit. Unplug the power and video cables from the head unit. Connect our power cable to the vehicle's original power cable, then plug the other end back into the head unit. Plug the video cable labeled back into the head unit. Connect the video cable labeled to the original vehicle's video connector. Start the car and check whether the CarPlay function is working properly. Place the module on the side of the head unit and secure it with cable ties. Reassemble the parts you removed earlier in the order in which they were taken apart.